Health's a puzzle. Ready to ditch the pills and crack the real code? Welcome. I'm Dr. Brian from Health Without Risk, where we're exploring how better health doesn't have to mean more prescriptions. Ever feel like the world of health advice is just a confusing mess of prescriptions, fad diets, and censored half-truths? Yeah, me too. That's why I'm so excited to tell you about something that's shaking things up. My app, Health Without Risk. It's not just another health tool, it's a movement. Our mission, health reimagined, risk removed. And trust me, you're going to want in on this. Picture this. What if everything you've been told about staying healthy was only half the story? What if the food on your plate, the treatments you're offered, even the stuff that's been hushed up online, what if there's more to it? With the Health Without Risk app, we're pulling back the curtain. For just $40 a year, you get a front row seat to health info that's bold, unfiltered, and honestly, a little mind-blowing. Subscribers get access to exclusive goodies you won't find anywhere else. We're talking articles that dig deep, low-carb recipes that actually taste amazing, and health quotes to keep you fired up. Plus videos, some so unique they've never seen the light of day outside of this app. And oh, we're just getting started. Coming soon, videos tackling the stuff social media has been scared to touch, like why U.S. food is banned in other countries, or how ingredients have quietly changed over the last 40 or 50 years. Wild, right? But here's where it gets really juicy. We're diving into alternative cancer treatments, the origins of cancer, and protocols that people are buzzing about, even doctors. Ever wonder why breast cancer's spiking in younger women? Got it covered. And shots? Yep, we're going there too. Unpacking the adverse effects people are reporting, no filter. This isn't about fear, it's about giving you the tools to ask questions, think for yourself, and take charge of your health. If you're ready to rethink health without the fluff and without the risks, grab the Health Without Risk app today. You get free access for 10 days. And for $40 a year, you're not just subscribing to an app, you're joining a community that's searching for the truth. Head to the link on the screen using your desktop or laptop and sign up now. Once you have your ID and password, you can download the app from your phone's app store. Trust me, once you see what's inside, you'll wonder why you didn't do this sooner. Let's reimagine health together. Have a great day, and I'll be back soon. Bye.